You guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once more. We're still under Mechanotechnics N4. So I've given question 5. Read as follow: the following specification applied to a simple gear train with a pinion A and a gear wheel B. We've given module 10, pressure angle 20, gear ratios 3:2, PCT of the pinion 120. Calculate 5.1 the number of teeth on each gear wheel. The number of teeth on each gear wheel. 5.2 the tandem and the tandem of the gear. Alright. So here we're supposed to attack that question. One, the teeth on what? The teeth on the gear wheel. We'll call it, this is a gear wheel B. Okay, pinion is gear wheel A. Okay. Okay, let me just, because of ratio, but I see you've given something like a PCT of the pinion. Let me check what can I do. I know that PCT, if I can say PCT of the pinion is A is equal to modulus multiplied by the teeth of A. If I can try and make A the subject there, TA will have what there? PCT divided this by what? Divide this by 2. Look where I'm getting to. Sorry. Divide this by what? By modulus, like this. So per se there, PCT you've given there, it's 160 divided by modulus. The modulus there is 10. The teeth A there will be what? Something like 16. It's 160 divided by 10. Something will have 16. You have 16 what? Teeth. So we can use the ratio now. Alright, TB over TA. TB is what? It's a wheel. The wheel is big, guys. So the big wheel is big will correspond with 3. We have 3 divided by A. The big one correspond with the big one. The small one correspond with the small one. Alright. So we want T. If I find T, the teeth of T I multiply there will be TA multiplied by 3 divided by 2. Then I substitute there. What is the value of teeth there? TA was 16 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. As per say that TP will be equals to what? Will be 24 teeth. Have 24 teeth. This is how you go about dealing with those stuffs here. Alright, so we have seen how you go about taking those things. So now we want addendum and dedendum. We've been discussing about this a lot, guys. We've discussed about addendum. Set is equals to what? To modulus. The modulus is 10 here, millimeter. Then the dedendum, is set 100 to 1,157 multiplied by modulus always 1,157 multiplied by modulus whereby is 10. This will give us what? 11,57 millimeter. So you see, this is a repetition, guys. As you can see, this is how we go about that. 5.3, the outside diameter of both gears. The outside diameter of A must be equal to modulus T of A plus 2. Guys, this is a repetition. Modulus, it is 10. The teeth, it was 16 plus 2. Teeth of A is 16. This is a repetition of things. It's 180 millimeter. So outside diameter of what? Of B will be modulus multiplied by the teeth of B plus 2. See, modulus is 10. The teeth that we got there, remember, of B it was 24, isn't it? 24 plus 2. This will be equals to what? Punching these, we'll have these to be just punch 260, obviously millimeter. 260 millimeter. Then what is this now? 5.4. The PCD of the gear wheel check. Note the PCD of the gear wheel. You said gear wheel, it was B. All right, B modulus multiplied by the teeth of B, because B it was the wheel. Modulus is 10 multiplied by the teeth of B, whereby is 24. Then this will be 240 millimeter. All right, then the total depth of the teeth, guys, the total depth does not change. We've been discussing about the total depth. We said it's a sum. We said it's a addendum plus addendum. We said it's a addendum plus addendum, whereby we know this 10 plus 1.57. We did calculate this. All right, so 5.6 there. What do they want? The tooth thickness at the pitch circle. Okay, all right. Oh, you know that will be, we have to calculate PC, because the tooth thickness, let me tell the tooth thickness. The tooth thickness will be equals to CP divided by 2. So we have to find CP, whereby CP will be equals to given by pi multiplied by modulus. Sometimes if you see this given by this, remember that it's just a modular, guys. Pi multiplied by the modular. But this modular is 10. This will is 3,416 millimeter. Then tooth thickness, Yes, we said this CP divided by 2. So this will be 13,416 divided by 2. This will be 15,708 millimeter. That is what we have. All right. That was the last question. Yeah, that was the last question. So thank you guys, by the way. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Please kindly subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe there, and feel free to share this to your favorite classmate.